Are you ready to take your project management skills to the next level? Imagine using AI to plan smarter, predict risks, and monitor projects in real time. In this course, AI in Project Management, from fundamentals to real applications, you'll learn how to leverage AI tools to optimize project planning, manage risks proactively, and deliver successful projects on time. Through practical case studies, hands-on exercises, and a capstone project, you'll gain real-world experience to apply AI immediately in your projects. Whether you're a project manager, engineer, or team leader, this course gives you the skills to make smarter decisions, save time, and improve project outcomes. Enroll now and transform the way you manage projects with AI.